Video check, please. Sharing check, please. Check, please.
Yeah, sir, it's visible.
वीडियो चेक करो.
Yeah, sir, it's visible.
अरे लेकिन मेरा ऑडियो चेक नहीं हो रहा है. चेक करवाइए टेस्ट. हेलो.
Yeah, sir, it's visible and you are audible completely. Please get to the next.
हेलो. हेलो. Audio video check, please. Unless and until you reply and check is over, how I should start? Hello, is it okay? Shall I start, Vijay?
Yes, sir, start करो.
Rajakta, it's good if you can hear me. Said that we will be starting with the SCF LCM. Few question. Question is on our screen. I don't know whether you would be doing it. Do it. Leave remainder 0 if it is divided by 9. Least remainder find करने के लिए step 1 is find the LCM of all the divisors. We need the LCM of 7, 11, 13 and 14. that would be 14014. But 7 is already there, so into 2 only. So LCM would be 2002. We need to identify a number which is of the multiple format 2002 plus 2, because remainder is 2, and it should be divisible by 9 also. In these kind of question, I'll always suggest कि if you can take help of the options. ऑप्शन से करेंगे फटाफट से आंसर हो जाएगा. 639, this is divisible by 9. 819 is divisible by 9. 972, this is not divisible by 9. 970, this number is divisible by 9. That means with option we have eliminated this. Now you start dividing any number by 7 and check whether you are getting remainder 2 or not. 63 is out, 20, 14. Here you will get remainder 6. That means this is out. 7, 28, 10, remainder is 3. This is out. So obviously we are left with 8010. Now we can check 7, 10, 31, 28, 30, 28. Remainder is 2. So when 8010 is divided by 7, remainder is 2, which is following this, and it is divisible by 9. So out of the 4 options given, answer B is the pick. What is the rule? You can either go like this, find the LCM of all the devices, that is 2002. Clear? So our number would be K times 2002 plus 2, such that this is divisible by 9. 2002, sum of the digit is 4. With what number we can divide, we can multiply K, so that while adding with 2, it becomes divisible by 9. So if I multiply this by 4 times, it becomes 8008, and plus 2, that becomes 8010, and it is divisible by 9. 8 or 16, 16 plus 2, divisible by 9. Is it fine? Audibility is there? Let me know so that we can move up. We move up to the next question. I'll give you 60-second time. Please give it a try. Chat box is open. You can reply in the chat box. You try to cover up all the different types of question in SCF LCM. Please give it a try. Chat box is on. You can answer there. Okay, a fantastic take on properties of SCF. SCF of two numbers is 12. That means the two numbers we are dealing with is 12x and 12y, such that x and y are relatively prime to each other. That means HCF of x and y should be equals to 1. Then only HCF of 12x and 12y will be equals to 12, isn't it? Now, it is also given that sum of the number is 96. That means if I add 12x and 12y, it is 96. So what I am getting is x plus y is 96 by 12. That goes 8 times. So x plus y, ये जो pairing होगी, their sum should be equals to 8. And we need to keep this in mind that x and y should be relatively prime to each other. Their SCF should be 1. So it can be 1, 7. SCF is 1. It can be 2, 6, 3, 5, 4, 4, and we stop here. So we can see it is 1, 7 is possible because SCF of 1 and 7 is 1. 2, 6 is not possible because SCF is not 1. 3, 5 is possible. Again, 4, 4 is not possible. So how many such pairs of numbers are possible? We have got 2 such pairs. One is 12 into 1 and 12 into 7, whose SCF would be 12 and sum is 96. Another one is 12 into 3 and 12 into 5. SCF is again 12, and some of the numbers would be 96. So there are two such kind of pairs where, let me know if this is clear, we can move on. What was the catch here? Catch was that after picking up the numbers 12x and 12y, because SCF is 12, x and y should be relatively prime. Their SCF should be 1. In common lingo, we also call it co-primes. Okay, but I rather use relatively prime. So x and y should have HCF of 1. Then that will help us in finding out the pairs. Is it fine? Is it fine? Great. Chalo, let's carry on. Try out this. You need to find the largest three-digit number which when divided by 7 or 11. So first we will find the LCM of the divisors. 7 and 11, that is 77. And it leaves remainder 5 in each case. Very good. Now, what is the largest three-digit number known to us? Largest three-digit number is 999. Simply divide 999 by the LCM. It goes one time. It is 229. And it will go twice only. 14, 1, 15. So, the remainder which we are left with is 75. What you do, subtract 75 from 995, you will get number 924, 924. Correct. So 924 is the largest three-digit number which is divisible by 7 and 11. But it will leave remainder 5 in each case. That means the number which we are looking out for is 924 plus 5. That is 929. Now the question is, what is the sum of digit of the number which we have find? The number which we have calculated is 929. So 9 plus 2 plus 9 is 20. दोनों 18 और 2 20. So option A is the pick. Fair enough? Those who are watching is live, please also try to solve before we are trying. I'm giving you time. 30-40 seconds is the maximum amount of time which you require actually. So we are moving on to the next model. Interesting model. Read it, try it out. Find the smallest number. As you see the smallest number, question becomes a simple one. That leave respective reminders of 4, 5, 6, 7 when divided by 5, 6, 7, 8. Here what is the issue? We can see that remainder is not constant. If remainder is not constant, please try to look into this. We'll look at divisor and we'll look at remainder. So when it is divided by 5, remainder is 4. When divided by 6, remainder is 5. When divided by 7, remainder is 6. When divided by 8, remainder is 7. Now you can see that remainders are not constant, but the difference between divisor and remainder is constant. So difference between divisor and remainder is known as residue. So in each case, we can see that residue is coming as 1, 1, 1, 1. So whenever they are looking out for a smallest number, which is divided by few divisors, and residue is 1, we follow the simple steps. Step 1, find the LCM of divisors. Find LCM of 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's it. And since the residue is same, the number which we are looking out for is LCM minus the residue. In case remainders are same, we find the smallest number with help of LCM plus remainder. But here we can see that residue is same. So the number which we are looking out for is LCM minus residue. So what is LCM of 5, 6, 7, 8? It goes 4, 20, 120 and 7. It is 840. So the number which we are looking out for is 840, which is divisible by 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, since residue is same, our number should be 840 minus 1, that is 839. Please mind it, when residue is same, residue is divisor minus remainder. When residue is same, you subtract the residue to find the number. And if remainder is same, you add up the remainder to find the number. So in this case, answer is 839 and not 841. Please make this note very clear that you are supposed to subtract and not add up. So answer would be 839, the number which we are looking out for. Clear? Making sense? Yes, you have a chat box live. You can tell us in the chat box whether it is clear or not. Any doubt, please do ask. If you will not chat with me, how I will get to know? Chalo. Let's check the next one, next format. And this is the brilliant format. Like if it is TCS, there are high chances that they will give you questions like this. Read the question and see what is there, what is missing, how it is different from the other question which we have done, and then give it a try. Okay, time's up. Within the given time, we should have got it. How it is different? Numbers are given. They are divided by some number. And remainder is same in each case. But here the number is the greatest number, not the smallest number. Three numbers are divided by a number. That means this is not a case of LCM, this is a case of HCF. Very fine. But remainder is not given. Suppose remainder is given. This value of y is given. Then what was the trick? You subtract the remainder from all the three values and then you find the SCF. Suppose question is like this, that ABC when divided by the greatest number x, remainder is r and the value of r is known. That means what we need to do is just need to find the SCF of three numbers which are a minus r, b minus r and c minus r. This is type 1. But in type 2 you can see that this remainder r, which is a number, is not given. ABC are three numbers which when divided by the greatest number x leave remainder y in each case. And the value of y in numerical form, in number form, we don't know. So we have a specific process to solve these kind of question. And the process we need to know. Process is simple. Just find the value of A minus B, A minus C, and B minus C. Okay. After you have calculated these three values, then you find the SCF of these numbers. That will be equals to X. And then individually divide the number by X and find the value of Y. So let's do it. So we have got 4053 minus 3661. So this is 2,39193, 392. Then 4739 minus 3661. This is 8, 6, and 7, 0, 1078. And the third number would be 4739 minus 4053. That would be 6, 18, 5, 8, 6, 686. So our task is now to find the SCF of these three numbers. You can use the long division process, which is actually quick in these cases. 392, 686. It will go one time. 392, 4, 18, 9, 5, 2. Now divide 392 by 294. It will go one time. 8, this is 8, 18, 9. 98 is what we are getting. 294. So 98 three times. Yes. 9, 3, 24, 2, and 27, 29. Done. Good. That means 98 is the common factor between 392 and 686. Now we just need to check what happens with 1078. It go one time 98, 7 and 2 98. It goes 11 times. That means HCF or X is nothing but 98. Now how to find the value of Y? Pick up any number 3661 and divide this by 98 and find the remainder. Isn't it? 3 times 3, 4, 24, and it will go 4 times. No, 3 times. 27, 29. So 2 and you will get 7, 21. So is it going 7 times? Yes. 7, 8, 56, 5, 63 and 68. 11, 5, 1, 3. 35. 35 is the remainder which we are getting. That means value of Y is 35. So X is 98 and Y is 35. But the question is, what is the value of 2X minus 3Y? So we are looking out for 98 into 2 minus 3 into 35. Okay, 6, 1, 18, 19. 196 minus 70, 105. 196 minus 105 is 91. So 91 is the answer to the question that they have asked. It looks lengthy, but it is. You have to move quickly, and this is TCS favorite, where they give few numbers. You need to find the greatest number, and the remainder is also missing. You need to follow these steps, find the difference between the pairs of the number. Then on the pairs of the number, find HCF. By long division, you can find. That is more simpler. And once you find the value of X, pick up that number, divide any number with that number, you will find the remainder. And since the question given is true, only one check is fine, fair enough to find the remainder, isn't it? Now, they put in the whatever details they have given and look out for the answer. Fair enough? Is voice clear now? Is voice clear now? Okay, very good. Let's move on. speak at least so that I can use my headphones. My headphones are going off connected to Bluetooth because it can't hear it. That's why it's getting disturbed. So host are requested to please answer when I ask something. Is voice clear? Now famous questions. Rules. Hopefully you have gone through the sessions on divisibility rules. Hello. With each question, we will be revising the concept also if it is required. Let's go a bit slow on these. Divisible by 72. 72 is the composite number. 8 and 9. That means if a number is divisible by both 8 and 9, then we can say that number is divisible by 70. Now, what is the rule for 8? Rule for 8 is last three digits of the number should be divisible by 9. And rule for 9 is sum of digits should be divisible by 9. So we can see that if a number is more than three digits, checking for 8 is necessary first of all because it's our number is divisible by 72. And the last three digits of this number are 3, 2, k. And these three numbers should be divisible by 8. That means these three numbers should be multiple of 8. Now 32 is divisible by 8. So what can be the values of k? K value can be 0. 320 is divisible by 8. 328 is divisible by 8. Because 32 is divisible, the only value that k can take is 0 and 8. So we have got two options now. Or value of k can be 8. Now we check for the entire number and check whether sum of digits is divisible by 9 or not. 6 plus 8, 14, plus 7, 21, plus 10, 31, plus 5, 36. So sum of digits is 36 plus k. And as we can see, that 36 itself as a sum is divisible by 9. So that means the value of k which we are looking out for is 0. If we put k equals to 0, sum of digits becomes 36 and 36 is divisible. So 320 is the pick for the last three digits where it is also divisible by 8. The value of k which we are looking out for is 0. Now the question is what is the value of k square minus 2k plus 3? Value of k is 0. That means value of the entire expression is 3. Option A is the pick. Fair enough? Barabar? Shall we move on? I've taken all different kind of questions in divisibility rules for different composite number and prime numbers to check and revise. Our motive is to revise. Once we have done the revision,
You can work on these kind of questions, pick up questions from anywhere, pick up questions from the channel. We have questions done on these SCF and divisibility rule. Practice those kind of questions. Okay, give this a try. Yes, everyone, try this. Okay, let's see what is the rates in this case. What is the value of 5x plus 9?
Digit number is as large as possible and divisible by 36. Again, 36 is a composite number. Audio video check. Check, please. Hello. Let's do few more and wrap it today's session. I don't think there is heavy rain, and due to that, maybe there is some problem with the connectivity. We can do it in our next session. Let's see what we have right now for this. X is the smallest number that should be added to make it exactly divisible by 24. For this, you can just go in straight away and divide this number by 24 and check what is the remainder. Can we? Please do. Yes? That is one of the method. You just find the remainder, check the difference, and add up. A number is said to be divisible by 24 when it is divisible by both 4 and 6. No, but these are not pair primes. It should be divisible by 3 and 8. Sum of digit is 5 to 7, 10, 19, 25, which is not divisible by 3. That means sum of digits should be at least 27. Okay, so if it is 27, we need to add at least 2. Keep this in mind. Not divisible by 8, last 3 digits, 9, 6, 3. This is divisible by 8, but this is not. That means instead of 3, it should be 5. 3 plus 5 would be 8. If I add 5, it will become 8. Now, we can see that 25 plus 5 is how much? 30. That means x is equals to 5. If I add 5 to this, 5 to 968. 968 is divisible by 8, and then 10, 19, and 11, 30. Then this number also becomes divisible by 3. So instead of going straight away for 24, dividing this number by 24 and making the calculation complex, we can go and use divisibility rule. So value of x is 5. What is the value of 3x minus 7? 15 minus 7, that is equals to 8. That is what we are looking out for. We'll take out the last one for the session and hope we'll get back to the good network and we'll continue in our next session. Let's take up the next one. A 6-digit number is divisible by 7, 11, 13. what is the value of P into Q? There is one trivia attached to this particular question. If you know, you can be really quick in solving these kind of questions. And the trivia is any six digits number of the form AAA, AAA, or of the form ABC, ABC are always divisible by 7, 11, and 13. Because 7, 11, 13 appears of prime when multiplied, or you can say their LCM is 1001. So you can see that these two types of six-digit number are always divisible by 1001. Now, if we follow this pattern, then we can see that this number is nothing but 347, 347. 347, 347 is of the form ABC, ABC, which is exactly divisible by 7, 11, and 13. So we can see value of P is 3 and value of Q is 4. P into Q is 12, and that is supposed to be the value. Keep practicing SCF LCM. If you have any doubt, please put it in the comment box. Clear the remaining portion, and we'll continue with other topic in the next session. On this hope that we have a good Wi-Fi at that time. Sorry for the delay in audio and visuals today. I'll see you soon. Mohit Jain signing off. Thank you, everyone.